So, hello, good day. I am here with Kuya Gerald, a second year BSHE student. So, hello, Kuya. Shall we start? The first question is, why is it important to use eco-friendly materials?
First of all, I would like to say thank you for having me, and I think it's very important to use eco-friendly materials to prevent disasters like flooding, which is very flooding. Even though not just us in the Philippines but also in other countries, flooding is one of the reason, one of the disaster cause of big troubles sa tubag, which is one of the causes flooding is the use of not eco-friendly mga materials. It's really important to use eco-friendly materials, not just prevent but also for have a sustainable living with us.
What are some materials that are good for the environment?
I think it is commonly used paper bags or eco bags, which is for me, I disagree with that because kung mag-use ng paper bags is agi ka ng paper bags, which is just sadly, which is kung mag-produce ta og mga paper bags, which is maka-hurt siya sa environment kasi mag-cut man tag trees to produce na og mga paper bags. Yeah, I think mga products or mga materials na good is really recycle kung sa'yo gamiton nimo or dili kay as much as possible dili na siya mag-use.
What are some challenges that you might face when sourcing and using eco-friendly materials?
I think one of the challenges is lack of sources. Guys, sometimes, especially here in CMU1 or CMU campus, kay ang sources din nato, especially na ginaban ang plastics, ginaban ang use of plastic, ginaban ang pag-use of plastics, which is ang mga paper bags there or eco bags, which is pricey good kay siya when it comes to student price. And also, ang source po ana is magkulang po siya, like later is apika source kaya wala na siya sa tanan source.
What kind of materials did you use to make your project strong and long-lasting?
For me, as a second-year student taking the course or subject home furnishing, fabric is one of our tools or materials we can use na karon. And by that, we use high-quality materials but also cheap and eco-friendly, which is we use natural fabrics compared to synthetic fabrics.
In your projects, what are the most commonly used eco-friendly materials?
One of the materials good is fabrics, and also natural fabrics good ang among ginahimo, and also for the threads, natural fabric which we never use synthetic fabrics because na process na siya, which is na siya like polyester, nylon or rayon, which is not good for the eco. Tapos kung magtahi nami, nagano siya mga bilin or mga tira-tira na mga cuts sa tela, which is ginalabog na namo siya. And by that, we use natural fabrics kay kung ilabay na namo siya sa gawas, ma-decompose na siya ug balik.
What have you learned in general from working eco-friendly materials?
I have learned that when we use eco-friendly, we can save some makasave me, and also we can have a sustainable living, and by that using an eco-friendly materials bitaw wala kang panakatabang sa tanan, but you can also help the Mother Earth to breathe freely and to rejuvenate its beautiful environment.
How have this experience of using eco-friendly materials influenced your understanding of sustainable design principles?
Siguro influence ako is it's really important to use eco-friendly materials, and eco-friendly materials, just like I said kanina, wala na help sa imong society but also the environment, especially Mother Nature. And by that, to use eco-friendly, not just use eco-friendly but also mga old clothes or old materials nimo, pwede nimo siya ma-recycle to have a sustainable living future, especially napay ang mga next generation kung unsay ka ang ato ang environment.
What specific techniques have you used in working with eco-friendly materials?
For me, I think as a student, techniques with this find good ang iyang or quality baka kay some of the products man yun is na yung mga code, especially in basic foods, na yung mga code yun labi na sa mga plastics or sa atong mga carton mga is na siya contains na siya og mga synthetic materials or synthetic is plastic yun siya na ng mga code which is mo gyud ang techniques or strategies baka ang i-apply.
What are your recommendations for promoting greater awareness and adoption of eco-friendly materials and sustainable practices among your peers and the wider community?
Really use eco-friendly materials and also as much as possible not use mga paper bags kay makaano gyapon siya makadami sa atong environment. As much as possible use good really mag-use mag-use og kanang mga recyclables mga materials like mga payong or dili kay kanang atuwa nagamit na nga mga gamit ato siyang in terms to something more kanang mas makatabang sa atuwa.
So last question is, in your own preference, what benefits have you noticed when incorporating these materials in terms of design?
Ano kita in terms to designing incorporating these eco-friendly materials kay naka-help ta which is sometimes for example sa atong mga old clothes we can turn them into a new or innovative new clothes to kanang dili siya masayang pero dili po siya maka-cause of disasters sa atong environments.
Okay, thank you so much, Kuya. I really appreciate your time and I learned a lot from it na pwede po na ako magamit sa among soon to be nga art po. Thank you.